Title: Supreme Court Justice Alito slips on ethical ice. TLDR: Supreme Court Justice Samuel Alito is facing some fishy questions about a luxury trip to Alaska, backed by a billionaire hedge fund dude. His big, old catch of the day is making waves, as he allegedly didn't declare the benefits he got. Plus, he didn't step away from cases linked to the billionaire's business. On top of all this, Alito clapped back at the original article even before it was published. Full story. So picture this, folks. In 2008, Supreme Court Justice Samuel Alito is chilling on an Alaskan riverbank, grinning for the gram next to a king salmon roughly the size of his leg, no small feat if you've ever seen a Supreme Court Justice's leg. By his side, billionaire hedge fund bro Paul Singer, who's shelling out $1,000 a day for this luxury fishing lodge. But here's where things get slippery, like a salmon on a summer day. Singer wasn't just a fishing buddy, he flew Alito to Alaska on his private jet. If Alito had to pay for that trip himself, we're talking a whopping $100,000 one-way ticket, potentially. Okay, cool, everybody loves a vacay, right? But the plot thickens like Alaskan glacier mud. Singer's hedge fund had cases before the Supreme Court at least 10 times in the following years. And, guess who didn't recuse himself from these cases or disclose the swanky trip benefits? If you guessed Alito, you're right on the money. Now, in Alito's defense, not that he seems to need it, mind you, he asserts that the private jet seat would have otherwise been unoccupied. So, it's not like he's stealing someone else's place, right? Still, it's hard to shake the notion that accepting this free ride might have blurred some ethical lines, don't you think? But here's where it gets even juicier. Before the original report was published, Alito pulled a preemptive strike, attacking the article in the Wall Street Journal's editorial page. Seems like he knew something fishy was coming down the river. But isn't it a bit strange to hit back at something before it even lands a blow? All of this buzz is coming amidst talks among senators, mainly Democrats, pushing for new Supreme Court ethics laws. With the spotlight now on Alito, those voices are likely to grow louder. So, here's the question we're left pondering, folks. When is a free ride just a ride, and when is it a stepping stone into a murky pond of ethics? And is this the kind of catch we want our Supreme Court justices to be making? Sound off below. Disclaimer, this article doesn't provide investment advice, legal advice, or any other kind of advice. It's all about providing information that's accurate and current to the best of our knowledge, and stirring the pot a little. Always consult with a professional before making important decisions.